If you intend to decommission, sell or give away your Amazon Echo Dot or Echo Dot Max, before you do, you need to perform a factory reset, as not only will a factory reset wipe your data and any settings on your Amazon device, it will also deregister your Echo Dot from your Amazon account so that it can be reactivated by someone else. Before we start, it should be noted that ideally, when performing a factory reset, you need to make sure that your Amazon Echo Dot or Dot Max is still connected to the internet. The easiest way to factory reset any Amazon Echo device is via the Alexa app. So with the Alexa app open, and from the home screen, we select Devices. We should find listed our Amazon Echo Dot or Dot Max. Now by selecting the device that we wish to factory reset, if we tap on the settings icon and scroll to the bottom of the list of settings, we should find an option called Registered To. If we tap Deregister, we are prompted to confirm that we wish to wipe and deregister our Echo Dot from our Amazon account. After tapping Deregister for a second time, we are returned to the home screen, where we need to wait for our Echo Dot to be removed from the devices list. If we reopen Devices, our Echo Dot will remain listed until it's completed its factory reset, which usually takes around a minute. The alternative way to perform a factory reset is via the device itself. So if we hold down both the down volume and the microphone enable disable buttons for around 25 seconds, when we release our fingers, we will hear
removing your smart home devices and resetting your device. This will take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done.
You'll know that your Echo Dot is in the process of performing its factory reset from its indicator light, which first pulses orange, then changes to a spinning blue circle, before finishing up by spinning orange to indicate that it's ready to be set up again. So while your Amazon Echo performs its factory reset, you should never remove the power or attempt to switch it off, as interrupting the factory reset has the potential to damage the Echo's operating system, which could prevent it from being able to restart. The whole reset process took roughly 2 minutes to complete. However, it's also worth noting that if your Echo Dot is not connected to the internet when you perform a factory reset, you will need to open your instance of the Alexa app and also manually deregister your Echo Dot from your Amazon account. When you hear your Echo Dot or Dot Max say the following,
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Hallo, dein Gerät kann jetzt eingerichtet werden. Lade dazu die Alexa-App runter und folge den Anweisungen.
Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Ciao, il dispositivo è pronto per la configurazione. Scarica l'app Alexa e segui le istruzioni. Hola, el dispositivo está listo para que lo configures. Descarga la app Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Hallo, je apparaat is klaar om in te stellen. Volg de instructies in je Alexa-app.
It will be at this point that you can either remove the power from your Echo Dot or begin to reconfigure it using the Amazon Alexa app.